In the late 1800s, every factory used to have their own power generator. But very often, those time and cost-consuming machines would stop working, and days would pass without anything getting done. In 1900, the Edison Power Company initiated their first turbine power station, which could generate and distribute power to the businesses. And everyone started to get rid of their own power generator and borrowed cheaper, reliable, and cleaner power from Edison. The trend continued. Today, we access power by simply plugging into the wall. Same thing is happening with information and technology. Now you don't need expensive hardware or software for your business. All you need is to connect the Ethernet cable to your computer and access the computing power you need. This is called cloud computing, a model of managing, storing, and processing data online via the internet. There are three delivery models of cloud computing. One is SaaS, or software as a service, then PaaS, or platform as a service, and IaaS, or infrastructure as a service. We introduced both on software as a service or license-based. By licensing, we also provide customized solutions as per your business. With the cloud computing services of Daffodil Software Limited, your business will have a universally accessible workstation, a great collaborative working platform, hassle-free computing experience, and significantly cost-effective workstation. So contact us today. We will take care of your extra headaches so that you can focus more on your core business.